This week's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform with over 17,000 classes in videography, photography, productivity, and design. I wanted to learn about the app Procreate, and so I took a class from Caitlin Wall. It's called Intro into Procreate Lettering. It's a very short class, maybe around 40 minutes, but it teaches you all the ins and outs about the essential things you need to know about Procreate. I picked up a lot of tricks. I'm very happy with this class, so I can only recommend it to you. The Skillshare membership starts at $10 a month, but they have a special offer for January. You can test the site for 3 months for only 99 cents, but you have to be quick because it's only valid in January. So check in the description, there's a link that will lead you to this special offer. Again, I want to thank Skillshare, and I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and I will see you next week with a new project.